This time I bring you a new friend. This is Saloni Chujar. Saloni and I met a year ago on an Olay shoot that we did together. Welcome to India. As you've been here a couple of years,
Yes,
but welcome to Elton J. Fernandez and all my viewers. Isn't she just pretty? I think she is. This is a Color Explosion special. I'm going to show you how to make color wearable for an event like Holi and have fun. Let's go. Now, Victoria's Secret does not make only lingerie. They also make a little bit of makeup. This is a priming and prepping spray. If you put it before makeup, it allows you for a smooth and seamless application. If you put it on top of makeup at the end of it, gives you a nice sort of dewy texture and keeps it budge-proof for up to 8 hours. So, gonna spritz this on. Now this is Chanel's Le Beige Healthy Glow Fluid. It's for protection and hydration. So we've got SPF 15 and some moisturizer. The color really doesn't matter. This is a fairly light color. It's going to blend quite seamlessly, you'll see. But the magic is yet to happen. You see, the color really does not matter. I am going to go in with a little bit of foundation and stuff. I would not recommend this if you were my color or anywhere close to my color. This is for lighter Indian skin tones or lighter tones otherwise. I'm not bothered about blending yet because what I have next by Chanel is a Perfection Lumiere Velvet Foundation. I really like this product. It's quite smooth. Now this is a perfect color for Saloni's skin. Just tap that a little bit. This is more suited to Saloni's skin. Now whenever you throw on color, remember about the balance episode that I did. It's always about maintaining a balance. So when you're using things like strong color on the face, you want to keep the balance. So which means not overdo the rest of the face. So blend, blend, blend.
And
blend is your friend. How do you say blend is your friend in Punjabi? Write in and tell us how to say it. I'm going to use concealer at the end of the makeup because I'm probably going to drop some color onto the under eye. So we'll keep the concealer for later. This is a Bobbi Brown. I've got this by Ben Nye. It's like a pile up of 5 different colors. They're cream eyeshadows. So I'm going to use the blue, which is called Cosmic Blue. It's a cream eyeshadow. I'm gonna use, let's say, my finger. Shall I use my finger? Yeah, just use fingers. And just apply it there to the middle of the eye. You see? And then spread whatever there is onto the sides. Very easy strokes. Again, I'm not making this theatrical or costumey. I want it to be wearable. You can actually wear this out at Holi. So I'm going to intensify that color on the middle of the lid. This is a powder in Cool Blue. Now this is the same company, Ben Nye, making the same shade, Cool Blue, in a powder form. So this layers on that, more potent, right? I'm gonna take this, close your eyes, and just put that on the middle. You see how potent that blue is? That's beautiful. Use this blue powder over the same family eyeshadow. You do not need to have the same products. Use any 2 blues. If they're different blues, it's fine. Just layer them on. So you get a nice and strong color. You know what I love about this product is none of it has fallen down yet. There's no fallout.
Really?
Yeah, that's quite phenomenal. That's a good product. I'm not concerned with blending this too much yet because that's going to be another color. Now with that blue done, what I'm going to do is take an orange. Now this is really going for, it's a beautiful shifts in orange. Look at it. I'm going to take a very simple rounded brush, fluffy brush. Now this has to be very sparingly. This is by Makeup Forever. I'm going to take a very sparingly just to see how it looks first because I've never done this before. And I'm going to blend this orange right here in the crease. I quite like it. It's mad. Again, you see how I'm mixing those two and coming up into the inner corners of the eye, pulling the face together. I'm not looking for neatness simply because this is a really fun look and it's going to be wearable. So you step out of your house like this and say Happy Holi, nobody's going to throw eggs at you. What I'm going to do is just blend this bit into the, I don't want too much color here close to the brows, so I'm going to soften it by taking a brush, rounded brush. You can take any clean round brush. Now I'm going to take some concealer by Bobbi Brown. This is a cream concealer. I'm just putting it on the inner corners of the eye. That's a lot of concealer. She doesn't need much. Saloni's got beautiful skin.
thank you.
My Real Techniques brush and just blend that concealer. See, I'm blending into the inner corners because I find that it might be a little bit costume looking, so I'm just dressing it down. So I've put a little concealer over here because I want the brow bone to have its own natural skin color. I don't want too much of orange there. Next, I do not want to add contours and shadows in the face because I want to take in as much light as we can, keep the canvas clean and simple. But a little bit of blusher on the cheek. This is a bronzer Laguna. I normally use this on the hollows of the cheek to contour, but this time I'm going to pick it, swirl my brush around, ask her to smile, and apply it as a blusher, just to catch a little bit of sun in the cheek, because she's been playing in the sun. And you got your big pinch nose. I'm gonna just do that to the underside. One of my favorite parts of the face is definitely the eyebrows, like you all know. So I'm gonna take, this is called Browsings by Benefit hard angular brush. It's a very, this is in a very light shade, and I'm just going to, I'm gonna lower her lash line a little bit because I find that she can take in some more. Just lowering her own brow line a little bit. Right, filling the gaps.
I try to do that ever since you taught me,
And?
the eyebrows. Yeah.
Oh, I lowered it then, is it? Oh, I like full eyebrows. And then I'm gonna take my transparent mascara because her brows tend to fall downwards. So I'm gonna lift them up and brush them upwards and outwards. The next thing I'm gonna do is go in with a lash curler. This one's by NYX. Ask Saloni to open her eyes, look down at her feet. I'm going to go close to the lash line and just, is that okay? Let's see the difference. Oh my God, that is alarming. You bet these are lashes at a man and he'll give you what you want. I've come out of a beautiful relationship, let's say.
You have?
Yeah.
Same here.
I mean, it's broken.
Yes,
We're no longer. You're no longer with that boy?
You too.
Huh?
No.
Oh, y'all broke up?
Yes.
When?
A while back.
So then I'm asking you in the room and you said, oh.
Yeah, well, it was a place not to talk about. This is totally the place to talk about.
Oh my God, I know, right? I'm just filling this in with a brow pencil because I want it to be a little more defined there. The next fun thing I got this month is an orange Chanel mascara, which I'm gonna try throwing on here, cause why the hell not? Look down at your feet. I'm gonna just, oh, it's quite a strong orange. Would you wear orange mascara for fun?
I would, I totally would.
No.
I had red hair, of course I put it.
Oh, you had red hair?
Yeah.
When? In Australia?
Blood red. No, last year. Right
So-
before I met you.
Oh, touching up is a bit of a headache, isn't it?
It is, it turned orange eventually.
Oh. Just make sure you coat the hair well. Oh, like a bird of paradise.
I can see the orange hair.
Can you really? Yeah. Is it disturbing? Like some
Not
horror
really.
movie? Since I'm not doing falsies, we can have a little bit of definition with a kajal pencil. So this one is by Bourjois, from one end to the other very swiftly and back. There, see? I think that gives us a nice definition. Again, close your eyes. From there. Let's see. The next thing I'm going to do is take my Givenchy Phenomenize mascara, ask Saloni to look up, and run this mascara on the bottom lashes. So that's nice and black and has a bit of grunge to it. Like she's out to have fun with this color. I'm just gonna buff that very gently. I'm not bothered about removing it. I'm just gonna take a smudging brush without any product on it and just rub back and forth so we have a little bit of grunginess to the eye. Yeah, you know when you get ready, like for me, when I get ready to go out to a party or a club or whatever, I love wearing makeup. I mean, for all of you that follow me on Instagram at Elton J Fernandez, same as Twitter and Facebook, you'll see from the picture that I love wearing makeup, whether it's a big bindi or it's a lot of stuff around my eyes. I've even worn red lips and long hair, like an extension. It's
Oh
crazy.
yeah, I saw that picture.
Yeah, so when I'm getting ready in front of the mirror at home, I play my music. Play your music, have fun with what you're doing. Don't bother about perfection. The next thing I'm gonna use is this long wearing lipstick, because in between all of that color and water, you don't want your lipstick coming off, if anything. Now that mascara is waterproof. But anyway, this is a long wearing lipstick by MAC Smile. It's a nice pale, pretty pink. Num num. Now this is a long wearing, so it's going to feel really dry. I've decided to throw on an extra pencil here. This is Technicolor liner by MAC called Skyscape. It's a kajal pencil, which means it can be worn inside, but I'm going to throw this just on the inner corner. Look up, please. Over here. See, like that. Blending into that black underneath, and right there. And finally, now that those lips are dry, does it feel too dry? It does,
Yeah.
right? Yeah, so then we put a gloss on it. You know, the good thing about prolonged wear lipsticks that MAC sells is they come with a gloss on the other end. But I'm just trying to incorporate another product into this. This is by Chanel, so just slap that on. There's a hint of pink, smile. And that was the final touch to it. I think it's quite a playful yet fun look. I'm going to give Saloni a mirror. Do you see?
Oh my god, I like
Yeah,
it.
it's super wearable, right?
I love the mascara.
Yeah.
That is so cool.
It's okay, no lashes, it's nice. Simple lips, just bronzer in the cheeks. I quite like that. And that's the last touch to that makeup. This is a very little bit of a color explosion. We're leaving the rest of the color to Holi. But I hope this is wearable. I hope that you like it. Write in and tell me what you think. And if you'd wear orange mascara,
I
with
totally
a,
will.
yeah,
I
with a blue
love it.
eyeshadow like this, and these very coralline nails by YSL. I'll write in the name below. It's Coral. The name is Coral.
Yeah.
By YSL. Anywho, but we hope you have a great Holi.
Happy Holi.
Happy Holi. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. But next week, we have a very exciting piece of information coming up, so stay tuned. We'll see you on the other side.
Bye.
Take care. Back by popular demand, a lot of you like this little Chiquita here, is Neerja Ghosh.
I'm back.
I'm going to show you how to strip this makeup off.